Rifle seating and crimping. Turn the lock ring as far to the top of the die as possible and the adjustment screw outward. With an empty case in the shell holder, raise the ram to the top. Turn the die in until it stops. This is where the crimp shoulder meets the case. Tighten the lock ring. Place a bullet on the empty case and raise the ram. Check the bullet seating depth. Half of the width of the crimping groove must be in the case. Rotate the adjusting screw clockwise until this condition is met. Now, lower the ram and turn the die in a half turn. Raise the ram, which causes the die to crimp and finish seating the bullet. This finicky adjustment can be eliminated by using the Lee factory crimp die. The factory crimp die allows the bullet to be seated at any depth.